Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be building back up my dirt jumps over there for the pit bike, because it seems like my brother likes to use them and he doesn't really build them back up, so I guess I have to do it. But yeah, I'll make a little video out of it. Yeah. Alright, so it's mostly just the landings. So I'm just gonna go this dirt all well over here. Because he always lands to like the right of this, so I'll probably build it over to the over here more. So yeah, might take a while, I don't know, but yeah, let's get it. That's all I'm gonna be doing it for today, because I gotta let them dry, so I'm not gonna be riding them today. But yeah, I try to get them pretty uniform, make them look good a little bit. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that little one, because that's just for my cousin. He doesn't want to hit the big one. So yeah, I'll ride these tomorrow, not today though. All I gotta do left is pack it in. I'll probably just ride the dirt bike up and down it with the front wheel a little bit, pack in a little bit. So yeah. Alright guys, so the jumps had time to dry overnight, a little bit this morning. They look pretty hard packed, so I think they're ready to ride. Should be fun. They're a little bigger than how they were earlier, so I might hit it with a little bit of speed the first time, but then yeah, so it should be good. Let's get it. a video in a while because my GoPro's been broken, my dirt bike was broken, a little one here. But yeah, now it's all good, so I'm gonna start posting some real videos again. But yeah, I think it'd be fun to go out, make a video about me riding my 150. I just had a race in Havasu for the World Series. I was gonna try and use that, but I couldn't get a GoPro. So that's what I'll do next year. Alright, I think that's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, please. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Thanks for watching.